Welcome. Today, we'll guide you on how to control Instagram's access to your media on your PC. Follow these steps to take charge of your privacy and manage your media files effectively. To begin, open Instagram.com in your web browser. Once the Instagram website loads, locate the padlock icon next to the web address. Click on it to reveal a drop-down menu, then select View Site Information. A window will appear showing various site details. Look for and click on the Site Settings option. This will direct you to a page where you can customize how Instagram interacts with your device. Within the site settings, navigate to the Permissions section. Here, you'll find options related to media access. Adjust these permissions based on your preferences. You have the freedom to allow or restrict Instagram from accessing your media files on your PC. To manage Instagram's access to your media, simply enable or disable the permissions as needed. You can choose to grant access to specific media while blocking access to others, giving you full control over your content. After setting your preferences, ensure to save your changes. This ensures that your desired settings are applied each time you access Instagram on your PC. By effectively managing these permissions, you can safeguard your media files and maintain your privacy while using Instagram. Empower yourself with the ability to protect your digital content and control how Instagram interacts with your PC. Thank you for watching. We hope this tutorial assists you in navigating Instagram's media access settings and empowers you to make informed decisions about your privacy and security online. Stay informed, stay in control, and keep your media safe.